G for grapes. G for game. G for goat. G for grass. G for girl. G for gift. G for giraffe. G for guava. G for gloves. G for glue. G for grasshopper. G for goose. G for gorilla. G for guitar. G for green. G for golf. G for gate. G for gem. G for globe. G for glasses. G for gopher. G for grapefruit. G for gecko. G for giant. G for guinea pig. G for gibbon. G for grizzly bear. G for goalkeeper. G for garlic. G for glass. G for ghost. G for gray. G for grand piano. G for groundhog. G for gears. G for gull.